Hi everybody. What I thought was going to be a very fun night of laughs at the historic Everett Theater turned into something that turned my stomach, and I'm having a hard time finding my way to compassion and love around it. I fail to see what's funny about racism and gender bashing and exploitation and religiosity bashing. It's not funny. Those things are a disease in our system. And I felt very apart from, and I left. And I'm reading Justin Michael Williams and Shelley's book right now, How We Ended Racism in One Generation. And I've been doing a lot of shadow work around my prejudices because we all have them, and they are coming to the surface within me. And tonight was very eye-opening, and it's very disgusting to me that a huge audience of people find all of that stuff so hilarious when it ruins lives and keeps us separate. And that's the sad thing, is because we're all one race. We're all one human race, no matter our gender, our religion, our anything. Like, we all come from one love, one heart, one mind. And to laugh and make fun of people for being different, to me, just isn't a joke, because it's been a legacy of trauma and it needs to stop.